What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be preparing for a winter storm. It's already started snowing. It's been doing this all day since like 9 this morning, and it's 3 or 4 o'clock right now. We have to do some feeding, just get some things ready because it's supposed to be snowing for the next 2 or 3 days, and we're supposed to be getting 10 to 11 inches of snow. Right now it is 9 degrees, but the real feel is less than -20. So it's like, I think it said -22. So we'll get all the feeding done and get everything ready. I'm gonna feed the bulls really quick just because we're already over here and I don't want to have to come all the way back out here to feed them later, so I'm just gonna do it now. We're almost out. We need to get more. Dump that in there for them. So are these how heavy are these bales?
Oh, probably between 1,000 and 1,100.
So half a ton?
Yeah.
Which is light for a bale, right? Well, maybe not a 4-foot bale, but
If it was a 5-foot wide bale, these are 4-foot wide bales, so they're not. If it was a 5-foot wide bale, it'd be a fair amount heavier, but these are rolled really tight. That baler makes a good tight bale.
Yeah. Does a good job. Hop, 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 hop. Get. Hey, get. I think I got most of it, at least. Oh, there we go. Well, maybe. I guess you just had to go faster. These cows should start calving here in a few weeks. If you guys haven't seen our other videos, make sure to go check this out because there's a lot of stuff that you guys have missed if you haven't. I mean, a lot of feeding, a lot of explaining kind of what we do on our farm, and just a bunch of stuff. we end up with an 8.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go check the ice really quick on the bowl tank. I kind of forgot to do that. My dad broke it this morning, and usually that's enough for the whole day, but since it's very cold outside right now and the real feel is -20, I would assume that the ice is frozen back over, but maybe not. Oh yeah, it definitely has. So break it really quick. That should be good. If you guys haven't seen, the very first video I made actually was about getting grain for my calf, and it kind of showed what we did with that. And if you guys want to see us use this corral system here, about a week or two ago, we used it. We vaccinated our full herd calves. So if you guys haven't seen that video and you guys are interested in seeing kind of how that works, make sure to go check that out. Just got to make sure to cover this back up so that snow and stuff doesn't get in them, because that would not be good. Well guys, I think that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching, it means a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.